Hey guys, so after a power failure of the whole house, multiple in the same day, my home assistant computer, which is a PC that I built, just wouldn't boot up. So if that happens to you, you need a display, a keyboard and a mouse. And you start your PC and you get into the BIOS. So mine is F12 to get into the BIOS. Okay, I didn't get into it, so let's try it again. So turn it on and hit F12 multiple times. Okay, then you enter setup, and what I did on mine was went to the advanced and to CSM configuration, and the boot option filter I chose, it was only on legacy, and I went on UFI and legacy. Then I hit escape to get out of that sub menu. Then I went to boot, and the boot order, the boot option 1 would be UEFI OS on my SSD. Okay, so now we're gonna hit F10, so that is save and exit. And now it should work. Well, this is what I did with mine, and it works. I hope you're gonna make it work too. Hope this helps. Bye.